How to make a Taurus man fall in love with an Aquarius woman. The connection between a Taurus man and an Aquarius woman is a fascinating blend of stability and freedom. The Taurus man is practical, loyal, and deeply grounded, while the Aquarius woman is imaginative, independent, and full of surprises. Learning how to make a Taurus man fall in love with an Aquarius woman requires understanding their differences and finding harmony between them. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Show emotional stability. Taurus men value consistency and honesty above all. Avoid sending mixed signals or acting distant for too long. Be sincere with your emotions, and let him see that you can be both steady and trustworthy. This builds his confidence in the relationship. 2. Appreciate his efforts. A Taurus man loves to provide and protect. Show gratitude for his gestures, no matter how small. Compliment his dependability and make him feel needed. Genuine appreciation will strengthen his affection faster than grand displays of love. 3. Engage his senses. He is ruled by Venus, the planet of pleasure, so appeal to his senses. Wear a soft fragrance, cook him a comforting meal, or simply create a calm, beautiful atmosphere. These sensory experiences make him feel deeply connected. 4. Respect his pace. The Taurus man takes time to open up. Avoid rushing him into emotional declarations or big decisions. Patience is your greatest advantage. Allow love to grow naturally, and his loyalty will be yours. 5. Keep the spark of curiosity. The Aquarius woman's originality is her secret charm. Use it wisely. Surprise him with thoughtful ideas, creative plans, or interesting discussions, but stay grounded. He admires your intellect when it complements his calm nature. Understanding how to make a Taurus man fall in love with an Aquarius woman is about blending the best of both worlds, her free spirit and his steady heart. When the Aquarius woman balances independence with warmth, and the Taurus man feels secure yet inspired, their love becomes strong, lasting, and beautifully unique. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.